So today I have a what is it? Amazon. Amazon. Every time I say Amazon, people don't understand what I'm saying. It's like, what? Amazon. It's tiny haul, but it's the first time me ordering actual clothes from Amazon. I try to get a few pieces that were like more basics, and I try to get a few more pieces that they were more fashion. And I want to start with this teddy coat, and it's my first teddy coat. I don't own any teddy coat, well now I do, and it's the color of the year, of the color of this season, winter. I don't know if we're gonna fall it into spring. It's gonna be a little hard to bring it, but maybe it will go into spring. Mixing it with white and stuff like that. But this is brown teddy coat. It's like mid-length. It goes like to almost your bump, but it's not that long. I think it's like a perfect length, and it's super soft, and it's so cold in here. And what is that? This is so amazing to throw on. It's super warm, and I think now, because I didn't think that before. Before it was like teddy coat. You know, teddy coat has been going around for like a few years now. I would say like 3 years I've been seeing them, but never really get into the trend. Are you okay? My cat, it's so loud. Bye. I love mixing now this trend with the brown, and I think Amazon has it for, well, I don't think so. This is actual, you know, I'm checking. It's $28.99, and there's a bunch of different sizes. I think I bought it in a size large just to put it under sweaters and stuff like that. But the price is not that bad. Amazon, if you need it right now, it's gonna get there because it's 2 days Prime membership, and probably like you can get Prime no matter what. But I'm pretty sure you have Prime. So yeah. Then let me show you my basics that I picked up, and I went for a turtleneck. And there's a problem with this turtleneck, and it's that the neck, it's not tight. Like I was thinking more like this slick office bag with like a white blazer, and it's just like regular black. Very, very soft. I'm really impressed about the fabric. The fabric is not bad. And the funny thing, I don't know if this one says it. No, this one has no brand whatsoever. Yeah, but the other basic stuff I'm gonna show you says Amazon like line, whatever. I had no idea they had a line. But the fabric, like I was saying, is very soft. But I have a problem with the neck because the neck is not really tight. So maybe if you have problems, like, you know, like it bothers you to have stuff around your neck, maybe that's like perfect because it's a very loose neck. It's a turtleneck, but it's not attached to your neck. But it's not a cow neck. So it's like in between. And I'm a little disappointed because of the shape of the neck, but I don't think it's their fault. Maybe it's the picture's fault. Maybe the picture should have been taken better. Maybe the picture would show that it's not that tight around the neck. Or maybe I didn't even look right. Let's see how much was that. $16.99 for the turtleneck. I mean, not the cheapest one. It's not Shein or whatever. But it's not the most expensive. I've seen turtleneck like J. Crew turtleneck, probably like $40, something like that for a turtleneck. So super easy to try if you like that stuff. Let me show you the other basic I have, which I'm in love because the fabric, of course, and it's just white and black. They come in like a package of just this basic tees. There's white and black one, and this is what I was saying, that it says Amazon Essential, like right there. It's like there's no brand or anything. It just says Amazon Essential, the size and whatever it's made of. I love the length. It's not that short. It's like pretty cool length. And the sleeves, I love to roll them up, and there's easy. Some shirt, they're just so soft that they don't let you roll them up. It would just flop down. But this is soft enough to feel good, but then it's a little bit, you know, not that soft that you can roll out your sleeve. And then it comes with a black one too. And yeah, I bought them in size medium just because I love this lashy tucking one side of your jeans kind of look. And I actually really happy with their basics. I had no idea this was going on. I had no idea Amazon was doing this, and I had no idea the price. I still don't have no idea. So let's check out the price. The price is $16 for the two, which is not bad at all. That was really good for the two shirts. They come in a pack. Yeah, actually really, I'm impressed by the price now that I am actually thinking about it. Then I have something that I'm not really happy about it, just because I don't know, like the fit, or probably I'm trying it wrong. Wait a second, because it has a knot on the front, but I'm thinking maybe the knot goes in the back, and I just, what? Okay, I just tried it on like a second ago and I'm like, well, this looks weird. Yep, that's what's going on. The knot goes on the back. So I would try that on the correct way and see how that feels, because to the front it feels like a little, it's not even that it's revealing at all, and it's so statically, like you can hear, like, I don't know if you can hear, but it's statically, it's like electricity in here. So it's supposed to go like this and then the knot on the back, but I was trying it like this and I'm like, this looks kind of floppy. Maybe that was the reason why, or maybe of course that's the reason why. Yeah, I will have to try that on again and see what happens and see how I feel. Then I got something a little bit out of my comfort zone, more like, you know, let's try to be different, and it's this set. And the reason why I got this set is because I follow this girl named Glency, and she has like an online store, and I saw this set and I'm like, I'm pretty sure I can find that online. Like I'm gonna challenge myself and see if I can find it on Amazon, and of course I found it on Amazon. And here's the set. It's just this top, which is super cool. The top I have no problem. It's just like tied up to the top, and then you have the sweatpants, matching sweatpants and matching fabric for the sweatpants, and that's what the problem comes, is the fabric. They have the lace up on the front, and they just sweatpants, and then they have the elastic in the ankle and on the top, and it matches with the elastic on the top, which is right here, if I have it the right way, on the top and on the bottom, as you can see. So the problem with this outfit, or with this set, is that the pants should be a little bit more thicker, because you can see everything. Like you can see even how many panties I have on, even if I wear 2 or 3 panties. Not that I ever will, but yeah, it's just a little see-through. There's no problem with how the fabric feels. The problem is how it looks. Like it shouldn't be see-through. Come on, you're already white, so you really have to pay attention to whatever you put under. And then on top of that, you see-through. Come on, you're giving me double work. I'm not saying it doesn't look super cute. I love how it looks, but I'm saying that why am I gonna wear it under? You know, that is my question. And if you have an answer, because even if nude stuff will show through, like everything will show, please let me know. And you know, if you can see my ashy hands, I guess ashy's really in my house right now. But yeah, this is my little tiny haul from the Amazon collection. I want to do a Walmart one so bad, but I don't know, because I'm like, oh my god, am I ever gonna wear this clothes? I'm really skeptical. I haven't even looked at it and I'm already judging. You know, when you judge things by its cover, don't judge Walmart by its logo. Go inside and check. But yeah, I really want to do that. Let me know what you think about these pieces. Please let me know how I'm gonna wear the white pants, because that's a very, I need help. I really do. I need to figure it out. What's the perfect, I'm the word for that. And thank you so much for watching. Get yourself a teddy coat. They're really comfy, and $28.99 for one. It's not that bad. So do yourself a favor if you live in a cold place like me, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and ciao.